Ai là đứa bé?
Where's my phone?
I don't have your phone.
Look at the other side.
Oh, Skylar, you have my phone?
With the thing. Yeah.
I gave it to him.
Because I was going to drop it. Everly rushed me.
Sit down.
Wait it on.
Honey, where you going again? Look at me, head out. Very small. Yeah, well. Don't drop it.
Why is it so dark?
Do you want to sit over here with me? You can. Move over here. Debbie, want to sit with Penelope? Go sit with Penelope.
Đó, tao ngồi bên này nè.
Có té đâu được đâu. Not after you work your key anyway.
Yeah.
With Penelope.
There you
Sit right here.
Yeah, you take yourself. You
Yeah,
right
sit
there.
by yourself. Good job. Here, hold it.
Đúng không? Ngồi đây mát
Yeah,
nè.
like this. Hold it.
Hold it so it fly. Hey, don't drop it. Don't drop the stuff, eh, Tam?
Okay, everyone's dropping it. She dropped it.
No, it's just a toy. It's okay. But personal stuff is
threw it
no.
down?
She threw it.
Hey, what did she throw?
The fan. That shit.
She threw her fan? Her fan's okay. Not the personal stuff.
Okay, sorry, sorry.
There's a stroller right
Whoa.
It's okay.
Can you move your kid a little bit, Tom?
I'm not gonna move her. She is there where she is.
No, the cycle. We want to trigger her.
This is half an hour.
Sit down. Don't sit on your butt, okay?
Jaden, you like?
that side. Huh?
So hot.
Tối quá trời, tối rồi.
Wait, so sit here. Go where? You want to go here? That's me?
Ừ.
So you can